If you want to use Google Pay on Google Pixel 11, what you can do is, first of all, you can set up the wallet. So on your phone, you should be able to find the Google Wallet app. Most likely it is going to be pre-installed for you. But if not, if it's not there, you can just go to the Play Store and you can search for the Google Wallet app and you should be able to get it for free. So once we go to the Google Wallet app, most likely, if you open it for the first time, you will need to grant some permissions, like for example, for the notifications. So of course, you can allow the app to send you notifications. And also you will be able to find an option to add a payment card straight away, either by just having an additional window over here or just here from the main menu, or you can tap on this plus button at the bottom of the screen and then you can choose the payment card, and you might need to choose new credit or debit card. Now in here you can scan the details off of your credit or debit card, and you can also use tap card to phone, so you should be able to place your payment card to the back of the phone, to the upper right corner, to use the NFC to scan the details. And you can also choose enter details manually. You will go here anyway, and you can of course fill in the card number, or also in addition to that, of course, the expiration date and the security code. And then once you fill everything in, you can scroll all the way down and choose save and continue. You might also need to include some personal info like your name, address, and so on and so forth. And afterwards, of course, once you save and continue, you should be able to add the payment card to your phone. However, in some cases, you might need to wait for additional verification. For example, you might need to contact your bank to make sure that they actually verify you, or they might call you. Sometimes they just send a code. Sometimes they use their dedicated bank apps, so you might need to use that instead. Of course, it depends on the bank itself. And in some cases, there is no verification at all. So once you add the card to the wallet, you can use it straight away. And that is pretty much all you have to do in order to set up a Google Pay and set up the Google Wallet. Of course, you can keep adding more payment cards if you want to. You can use more than one, that is not a problem. And if you do so, you can choose whichever card should be the default one, so that if you want to use the default card, you don't have to open the Google Wallet app in order to pay with your phone. And if you actually want to pay with your phone, of course, you need to remember to use NFC. The NFC must be enabled whenever you want to make the payment. Of course, it doesn't have to be enabled all the time, but at least at that specific moment when you want to pay. So, for example, we can go to Settings, choose Connected Devices, and go to Connection Preferences. And then over here we can find NFC. There is also the image of the NFC reader. So this is exactly where you can place your card if you want to use tap to get the information. And of course, there are some additional settings in here, like the required device unlock, or you can choose the default wallet app, which should be Google Wallet in that case, of course. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.